I will be harvesting our spinach for the first time. I planted this spinach 2 or 3 weeks ago, I think. Half of this garden bed is shaded throughout the whole day, so that's why the right side is lower than the left side. It just grows faster when it's in the full sun. Spinach is very easy to harvest. All you have to do is pick the leaves you want and then pinch the stem of it between your fingers, just like I'm doing right here. Today I will only be picking off the biggest leaves just so it has more time to grow. This way I'm also extending the harvest a little bit. Also, I'm making sure that I don't pick off all the leaves of every single plant, because I noticed that as long as the plant still has 1 or 2 leaves, they will keep producing a little more. Once these plants are done growing and I harvested everything, I'll just let the plants go to seed. That way I don't have to re-sow it every time. Now, I didn't get too much from this harvest, but I did end up harvesting 5 days after this again. It just grows so fast. This is how much I got this time. It's about a good handful, I would say. Now obviously this is not enough to make dinner with, but I ended up putting this in a smoothie. After I was done collecting, I just watered everything down really quickly. I do think it grows best if you keep it a little wet. I water it about every 2 days. I also quickly watered our potato plants that I have here. And behind our potato plants we have finally finished this garden bed. In here we've sown a lot of carrots as well as lettuce and also some other stuff that I will probably make a video about soon. Here is me drinking that smoothie I was talking about. I just made it with banana, a few tomatoes and some spinach. It was really good. This is after the second harvest. Like I said, I could harvest again 5 days later. This is about how much I got. It was enough to fill up this whole container. We will be eating this soon in the salad. But that's about how I harvest my spinach. If you like videos like this, please make sure to leave a like so I know to make more for you. Also subscribe so you won't miss anything. It means so much to me. Thank you for watching the video and I hope to see you later. Goodbye!